Okay, so this is the last of the sticker app series. Basically, the last episode showed you how to get your sticker pack downloaded to another area, basically to your device storage, because they only want you to share it into WhatsApp. And then once it's in WhatsApp, what you do is you send all those stickers to another WhatsApp account. And the third way to save them without using a third party WhatsApp status saver, because we're not trying to save the status. The status could just be a video. Whoop-de-wah, you can save the video anytime. What you want is to save the images and videos in the chat. And I just did that. I exported 84 images, which are getting close to my sticker, parts of my sticker library. But I can now recreate them, rename them, and watermark them as my stickers before I upload them into Android Studio Project and create my official first sticker app for Play Store. So what I did was I just went into my WhatsApp business account, right? And this happens to be the last chat that I sent all these stickers to. So what I did was you go to the little three dots, and all you do is you hit more one time, and bam, here you are, export chat. Let's do it again. More. As stated previously, an IP address has two parts. Okay, so it's going to show up right about here in just 1 second. So you go to the three little dots at the top right, you hit more, and then you hit export chat, okay? There you go, without the media, with the media. It will increase the size. They really don't want you to export your media, do they? Include media. And then you have the beauty of whatever apps that you have that are technically could handle that exportation. You can choose to save it to your cloud storages. You can email it, you can telegram it, you can WhatsApp it again, you can quick imgur it, you could save it back down to your SD file card, you can save it to OneNote. Like my go-to apps are these three apps up here. I use these every day. Save Drive. This is my go-to file explorer. I highly recommend it. It's called CX File Explorer. It's awesome. I use OneNote. I use WhatsApp Business. I use Arc File Manager also, but it's not showing up in here. You got your Telegram, you got your Tumblr, you got your Skype if you Skype. Dago, I don't really trust Dago, but I'm going to use their 100 gig free storage. When I first started using Dago before, they had all these ads, and now that they've improved the app, it's less confusing, it's more structured, it's not all over the place, it's less ads, and it's really good to take advantage of the free storage. But don't leave your stuff up there. Just use it for temporary virtual space and then find another way to back it up, because you do not want to leave your files up in Dago. But it is the one app on Play Store that does offer the most amount of gigabytes for free. So those are my choices. Z Archiver. I could zip that. I could zip that chat real great. Z Archiver is another really great app. It's just for, making zip files and then extracting them, moving them. But when you use it, it gives you direct, root access to your emulated folders, to your everything on your main storage on an SD card. You don't have to be rooted to see the hidden folders. It's great. So there you go. That's how you do it. And the last time, just to freshen up, if anyone didn't see the last episode, what we were doing was we were going into the sticker apps that I use, right? So I'll just start here. And, you know, let's say I want to save. Wait, let's go back. I want to save my stickers, right? But basically, I've already shared them to my WhatsApp accounts, but I don't just want to send them to WhatsApp people. I want to send them to whoever I want to send them to, right? So, you know, what you do is you just click on a sticker pack, right? Now, you want to export it technically, right? So I'm just going to do a quick recap on the last video. So you've already saved it to WhatsApp, so let's share it somewhere else. So what you do, first thing you do, this is my file manager. You go to the storage place on your file manager where you want to save it. So I'm going to my main storage, and I'm just going to save it on my main storage, right? Okay. Bam. 2 items copied. I don't know why. So then you exit out. Now I go into my file manager, CX file manager. And here's the sticker file right there. It's called Deluxe Moji Creative. Now, I described how you can't open this stickers just like that. You can't just open it and it's going to unstuff and you're going to have your sticker pack back. No, we want to extract the files because all it will do is open up, it'll try to open up the native sticker pack app that you use to create the sticker pack. But you want to share it, or you want to, you know, put it in other apps or share it to different messengers or whatever you want to do, you should be able to have the freedom to do that. So how we get to see what's in that blank white file that you can't open is make sure you have a file manager that can open as or open with. You click on it. You go down to the little features right here. More. And we're going to say open with. And then Arc File Manager automatically pops up. Bam! It's going to show me my files right now. They're going to be grayed out, but we can open them. Okay, so let me just minimize that for a second and then get right into Arc File Manager. Here is my entire sticker pack. It doesn't look like it, but it's there. And this is what you can't see in a normal file manager. Like, this is Arc File Manager is a very unique file manager. I don't know the class or category that this type of file manager falls under. All I know is that it finds my sticker files. It even finds the JSON file that was used to create the sticker pack, and you could recreate the JSON file, edit the code, and make it to accompany however app you want to make your app. Say you want to make your own sticker app, or you want to make your own website and you want to incorporate a sticker pack. That JSON file is very key, so you can take that into any code editor and code it correctly accordingly. So here are the pictures, and they're in the form of WebHP. Then you also could have the luxury, say you want to batch rename them. So let's just highlight. Wait. Oh, I can't batch rename them in this Arc File Manager, but I can do it in my other file manager. But you will do that after you upload it to the your storage choice. So what we want to do, all we do is open it. Okay, and then you share it. And the way I was doing it is I was sharing it to my, either I can share it to my OneDrive, I prefer to have a backup of everything in my OneNote app. But for practical purposes and secure purposes, and I'm glad that I saved it to my drive, because there I have been hacked, and what happens is some of my folders are set to link sharing, so anybody who has access to my drive could just go in there and extract my data, and I didn't give it permissions to do that. So every once in a while, double check to make sure your drive is secure, and make sure that no link sharing is on. You don't have any friends sharing. If you don't have any public folders, because with Google Drive, there's a lot of customization. I mean, you can share to your team, your job, your co-workers. I mean, it's really great for cross-platform sharing and, getting files quickly if you're working on a project, whatever, etc. So I go to save it to my drive, and then what you do is make a new folder of your choice, and look at how it has the long file name. You could always go back and re-download it from your drive into your file manager or into another file rename app, if you will, and rename it how you want it. Then go back and watermark every single one of those images, you guys. That's what I suggest. That's what's secure. That's what's going to work. That's what's going to protect your original images. Okay, so that's the folder that I made already. I'm not going to do it again, but this is just for demo purposes. So I made a folder in my drive, okay, right? And then that's how you do it. But you have to do it one by one. So you go ahead, select it, and save. So then you go back, and then we want to go back to, where is it? Did I lose my, oh, here it is. Okay, we're in Arc File Manager. So then, boom, you go on to your next one, and you do it like there. You do every one of those. You have to do it individually. You can't bulk do it. And remember, if you notice, at the very bottom of this sticker pack, there's going to be the tray image. There's going to be the tray image. Okay. And then there's also going to be the JSON file. And you want to save those within the same folder, just so everything is handy. And then if you want to go edit that JSON file, you can do it to all you programmers. So you either have the option in Arc File Manager to open it or extract it, however you want to do. You can re-zip it if you want to. But there are your folders. Okay, so that's the recap. And then, the last but not least, how I started the video. Say you want to just save your images from your whatever images you want from WhatsApp without fucking using these third-party apps. Excuse my language. Status downloader. How many apps do we have like that? Status downloader. WhatsApp. Here's another one. WhatsApp status downloader. Blah, blah, blah. They all look the same. Status saver. If you notice, it doesn't say chat saver. Blah, blah, blah. What's assist is another one. Now, the reason why I downloaded the apps is because I wanted to see how they work and how are they different from each other. So, there you go. You got your statuses. I mean, if you want to save your status, that's great because it's just like saving your story. in Messenger or whatever social media apps that you use. We like our stories. We like the memories we want to keep. But the whole point is, the good news is you can save your sticker images, you can watermark them, you can make them yours, and WhatsApp does not have to own you. So I hope you have fun making stickers. I hope you have fun working in Android apps and making your own apps. And that will do it for this episode of Sticker App Creation, using the WhatsApp apps in Play Store, but now it's really called Sticker Apps by You.